Magdalena. So what kind of house does Maggie want?
Maggie wants a quiet household where other kitties won't pick on her and scare her.
Does she get picked on? No.
She just gets scared of other kitties.
Oh, is she a shy girl?
She's not shy with people.
Not shy with people.
A little bit worried about those other cat kitties.
Not sure about the other kitties. Looking for a quiet home, huh, Maggie? She says, I'm so pretty. I'm such a beautiful girl. Yeah? You say hi? Hi, babe. We're checking it out. She loves to cuddle. Very, very much a lap kitty. Here she comes to my lap. Oh, good girl. Thank you. Right here. Lap kitty. The proof is in the picture. Alright, Maggie, say goodbye.